We're going to visit Smudge, who has been calling and calling for company while I've been going up and down the pens. It's the parrot that lives next to these pens. Still in PussyCat Lodge, but in an aviary, and has decided to start calling out. Anyway, so this is Smudge, who's restless, got lots of energy, and has got a ramp in here like the other pens, because no jumping's allowed while you've got a sore under your armpit. She's been neutered, you can see. She's very bright, got lots of energy, and doing the meerkat thing there, and bored. The parrot's funny. You're not going to keep still, are you? No, because it's just too exciting having company. Here we go. Tiny cat. Little. Oh, it's rough, isn't it? Little thing. She's just still really a kitten. Look at her, she's so small. I'm not sure what the parrot etiquette is, but it seems impolite not to reply. So that's what I'm doing. Could be doing completely the wrong thing, I don't know. Oh, she's so nice. She's very soft. And tiny. And full of energy. So this is Smudge. I'm not sure when she'll be signed off to go home. Her little injury, I'll have to... It's not exactly an injury, it's a sore apparently. I don't know where that's come from. Maybe it was a collar injury or something. You can find out every cat's backstory, as much as we know, if you have a look at their particular listing on our rehoming page. So today we've got 39 cats listed. Look at this, doing a bit of yoga. So every listing on the PussyCat Lodge website will tell you as much as we know about them, and how old they are, and the phone number for which volunteer you need to call, because it might be one of our fosterers, say Jane or Edna. But the cats at Brentwood, where I am at the moment, at the base shelter, Terry handles all the calls about them. So you find her number and the hours to call, 9 till 6, Monday to Saturday for Terry, on the listings for the cats that are here at Brentwood. They're the cats we're meeting today. Yosh, make your mind up. I'm not giving you enough attention. Sorry, I shouldn't talk and stroke at the same time, should I? I should just get on with the job. So I'm going to turn this off now, because obviously Miss Bossy Pants wants a bit more attention.